While your pocket-sized smartphone performs admirably in various tasks, including capturing excellent photographs, it falls short in one crucial aspect compared to traditional cameras: zoom capability. Traditional cameras, particularly those equipped with long zoom lenses, excel in this regard. The advantages of a camera with an extended zoom lens are numerous. Whether you seek versatility during travel or enjoy capturing a diverse range of subjects, the ability to zoom in and out proves invaluable. Longer focal lengths enhance portrait photography, while extended zoom is ideal for capturing sports, wildlife, and distant subjects. Zoom cameras, categorized into two main types with fixed built-in zooms, offer distinct advantages. Pocket-friendly point-and-shoot compact cameras are perfect for holidays and day trips. On the other hand, bridge cameras, although larger and bulkier, boast lengthier zooms and handling reminiscent of DSLRs. In this guide, we present the finest zoom cameras available in the market to assist you in choosing the one that perfectly aligns with your specific needs and preferences. All product links are provided in the description below. 5. Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is an excellent zoom camera catering to the needs of content creators. Boasting a 20.1 MP stacked-back illuminated 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor with DRAM, it features a large aperture 24 to 70 mm Vario-Son RT lens. The camera excels in autofocus capability, offering fast hybrid autofocus, real-time eye autofocus, and real-time autofocus tracking. Equipped with a side flip-out 3.0 inches LCD screen that tilts up and down, the ZV-1 facilitates easier composition of selfie shots. Switching between two defocused background bokeh modes is quick, and the product showcase setting smoothly transitions focus from face to object. The automatic exposure ensures well-lit faces in every shot. Noteworthy features include a forward directional onboard mic and a detachable windscreen, delivering excellent sound quality in a single take. The inclusion of a standard 3.5mm mic jack and MI shoe expands audio possibilities for users. The compact design of the Sony ZV-1, combined with its vari-angle rear screen and impressively fast autofocus, makes it an ideal choice for vloggers. However, it lacks an eye-level viewfinder and offers a modest zoom range of 20 to 70 mm. Aimed specifically at content creators, this camera addresses the needs of video shooting, offering high-quality images and superior video performance at a cost-effective price point. 4. Canon PowerShot SX740HS. The Canon PowerShot SX740HS is an excellent zoom camera tailored for beginners. Boasting a 20.3 MP CMOS sensor and an impressive 40x optical zoom, this all-in-one point-and-shoot is designed to capture subjects both near and far. Optical image stabilization ensures sharp and focused photos throughout the 24 to 960 mm zoom range. Equipped with Canon's Digic 8 image processor, the camera excels in keeping up with your shooting, offering 10 FPS continuous shooting with AF lock-on. The 20.3 MP sensor supports 4K video and 4K time-lapse recording, providing detailed and vibrant content. The 3.0-inch LCD screen, tiltable up to 180 degrees, facilitates framing for both photos and videos, including selfies. Connectivity features include built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing seamless connection to compatible mobile devices via the Canon Camera Connect app for quick editing and sharing of photos. The compact design, combined with a pocket-friendly size, makes it an ideal travel companion. Despite its beginner-friendly nature, the SX740HS caters to enthusiasts with advanced modes, though it lacks raw format shooting. The front-facing screen is a convenient feature for holiday selfie, and the camera comes in both black and silver variants. However, it does not include an electronic viewfinder or touchscreen functionality. Additionally, image quality may suffer in low-light conditions due to the compromise of a small sensor. Nonetheless, for well-lit holiday shots and versatile usage, the SX740HS proves to be a valuable all-rounder. 3. Sony RX10 IV. The Sony RX10 IV is the best zoom camera for wildlife and sports enthusiasts. Boasting the world's fastest AF acquisition speed of 0.03 seconds, it incorporates Sony's optical image stabilization technology, proving invaluable for handheld still and movie shooting, particularly in challenging conditions or at the ultra-telephoto end of its remarkable 24 to 600 mm 3 f2.4 to f4 zoom range. With 315 phase detection AF points covering approximately 65% of the frame, the RX10 Mark IV excels in AF tracking for moving subject. Its 20.1 MP 1-inch back-illuminated Exmor RS stacked CMOS sensor with DRAM delivers superior image quality throughout the zoom range. The camera features a fast burst shooting capability of 24 FPS for up to 249 frames with AF/AE tracking. The Zeiss Vario Sonar T24-600mm 3-lens provides flexibility for various shooting scenarios, making it a versatile choice for wildlife and sports photography. Despite its excellent performance, the RX10 Mark IV is on the expensive side and has a fairly bulky design. However, considering the remarkable capability, including the large 1-inch sensor and maximum wide aperture even at the telephoto end, it is a top-tier option. While it may come with a higher price tag, the RX10 Mark IV offers a compelling alternative to comparable DSLR optics, making it a potential bargain for those seeking exceptional quality and versatility. 2. Panasonic ZS-200 or TZ-200. The Panasonic TZ-200 is the best travel zoom camera, striking an ideal balance between a large sensor and an impressive zoom range. Featuring a 1-inch 20.1 megapixel MOS sensor and a versatile 15x zoom Leica DC Vario Elmer lens of 24 to 360 mm with hybrid optical image stabilizer. This point-and-shoot camera delivers vibrant photos with reduced image artifact. The camera boasts a high-resolution 2330K live viewfinder and a touch-enabled 3-inch LCD display, ensuring clear visibility even in bright sunlight. Its 4K capabilities extend to video recording and exclusive LUMIX 4K photo and 4K post-focus features, allowing for recording photos at up to 30 FPS and adjusting focus points after capture. Integrated creative controls, including scene modes and filter modes, add versatility, while traditional aperture and shutter priority modes cater to background defocus or eliminating sports motion blur. Travel-friendly features include USB charging and Wi-Fi connectivity to mobile devices, with additional connectivity options through micro HDMI Type-D and USB 2.0 micro-B. The ZS-200 or TZ-200 is compact enough to fit in your pocket, making it an ideal companion for capturing landscapes, portraits, and distant subjects. Suitable for both beginners and enthusiasts, it offers RAW format shooting and 4K photo modes. While the fixed screen and slight image softening at full telephoto are downsides, the camera's overall performance, versatility, and reasonable price make it an excellent all-rounder for many travel photography needs. 1. Sony RX100 Mark VII. The Sony RX100 Mark VII is the best all-round zoom camera, offering a remarkable combination of features. Equipped with a 20.1 MP 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor and a Zeiss Vario Sonar T24-200mm f2.8 to f4.5 large aperture high magnification zoom lens, this compact camera stands out for its versatility. Boasting a high AF speed of 0.02 seconds, it features 357-point focal plane phase detection AF and 425-point contrast detection AF. The camera impresses with up to 20 FPS blackout-free shooting and AI-based real-time tracking for both stills and movies. Real-time IAF for humans and animals enhances its focus capabilities. In terms of video capability, the RX100 Mark VII supports 4K video with S-Log3 and interval shooting. Additional features include a microphone jack, vertical position data recording, and active mode image stabilization in 4K video recording. The compact design, with dimensions of 101.6 by 58.1 by 42.8 mm and a weight of 302 grams, makes it pocket-friendly. Reasons to consider the RX100 Mark VII include its large 1-inch sensor, super-fast shooting speeds, and fast, effective autofocus. However, potential drawbacks include fiddly handling, a relatively restricted zoom range, and a high price tag. Despite these considerations, the RX100 Mark VII remains at the pinnacle for those seeking a compact camera that excels in a wide range of scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.